back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have our November 2019 California Found. I love this subscription. I think it is amazing. It's always filled with so many beautiful items and I just love this so much. But California Found is a monthly subscription. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Now it says you can choose to treat yourself or gift a gift for your sunshine. They find the most talented makers and select the best California creations. It says you are your lucky sunshine. Unbox a uniquely chic collection of California lifestyle items. Monthly collection of California artisan-crafted skin and hair care, gourmet treats, jewelry, accessories, and home decor. Now, it is $49.95 or $49 a month. They do charge shipping, and it does ship international. So you can get this in the US, in Canada, and internationally. It ships between the 25th and 30th of each month. Now you can bring the price down to less than $49 each month if you go ahead and prepay for like 3 months. So that's awesome. I absolutely think it is worth it. I have loved every single box. But let's get in here and see what we got for November. They use like some heavy duty tape. All right. So this is what it looks like every month when you open it. I love that they do the individual cards to tell you about each item. So I love that. And then we'll get to the goods in just a second. Usually there's a card here that will tell us about like the theme. So welcome to the California Found November 2019 collection. Happy second anniversary to us. Oh, happy anniversary, California Found. If you've been with us for a while this month, you notice that we've changed the way we mail your box by eliminating the padded envelope in which our boxes previously shipped. We take great care in packaging your box so that it arrives to you in a beautiful condition on the outside. On the inside, even if the outside is a little tousled up from the journey, a box with a few scuffs is worth it to save the world a whole lot of landfill. And that is so true. You'll see more changes toward design in the future months as we strive to bring you the best box, a box that's both lovely to receive and respectful of the planet. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of gorgeous California artisan-made products to celebrate our anniversary. This month's box features some of our very favorite makers from the past year, so you're going to love it. Yay! All right, so let's open it up. And we're going to move some of these squigglies. Oh, I almost took something with the squigglies. They do package it so well, so you really don't have to worry about anything. So this is what I see when I pull away some squigglies. So I'm actually going to start with this item right here that I tried to grab and toss out with squigglies. And this looks like a gorgeous ring. And right here we have Robin Rhodes. Robin Rhodes established her namesake company in 2002. Each and every piece is handcrafted within the greater Los Angeles area, helping to support local artisans while maintaining the highest level of quality in craftsmanship, materials, and style. Since its creation, Robin Rhodes has been worn by many of the world's most glamorous women, while staying true to the company's sense of community, personality, and accessibility. We love the architectural quality of the Ronnie uneven double bar ring. It's bold while still being ultra feminine and can be size adjusted by gently squeezing or stretching. And this is the Ronnie ring in silver, and this is $45. And then there is the beautiful Ronnie herself, or Robin, I'm sorry. All right, so here's what the ring looks like. That is very, very pretty and chic and just I like that. And it feels comfortable. It doesn't feel tight or anything. I do like that. All right. And then we have Bella Mia, a scrumptious collection of baby luxuries. What is this? Let's see. Into Bella Mia, Mama and Baby. In 2002, after her first child was born, Angela Elam decided to turn her creative passion for handcrafted products for babies and mamas into a business, and Bella Mia, Mama and Baby was born. Angela hand selects each designer fabric and creates one-of-a-kind, scrumptiously soft bibs, blankets, throws, pillows, handbags, scarves, and more. Angela also loves to create custom orders, connecting with her clients and creating heirloom quality pieces that capture the essence of family. This month, we included Bella Mia, Mama and Baby's super cozy, softer than soft minky scarf. We love it to zhuzh up a coat, sweater, or long sleeve tee. And it's a 60-inch scarf, and it is valued at $25. And y'all, it is so soft. Like, it is seriously so soft. So you can, you know, zhuzh up. Feel all wintry and cozy, but it's so soft. I'm totally gonna wear this. All right, so next we have a candle, Cali Vibes, all natural soy wax. Let's see. Cali Vibes candle is a beach brand inspired by the California lifestyle. Each candle is hand poured in Orange County, California, using all natural soy wax and the phthalate-free fragrance oils blended with essential oils. Anthony and Mariah, the owners and makers behind the quintessentially California brand, take great pride in making sure each and every Cali Vibes candle sparks the same love, passion, and good vibes spirit that they feel for California. We love the wintry feel that this month's candle delivers, both in fragrance and in the style of its super chic travel tin. It's an 8-ounce travel candle in mistletoe, and it's valued at $18. Oh, mistletoe. Let's see. Oh, that actually smells really, really good. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Okay, I'm actually really hot with this. Throw it off because I have my heat like pumping because it was so cold today. So I'm not gonna lie. I honestly am not really a fan of like pine scented items. So mistletoe, I was like, but it actually smells really good. I'm trying to just like, I don't know. I can definitely pick up some sort of a sweet scent. I'm not sure if it's a cranberry scent, but either way, y'all, this smells really, really good. I really like that. All right, and next we have this little guy right here. #1 Vitamin C Face Balm. Beauty Balm with fruit oils and shea. This is from Leanness. In 2013, Laura Lisakis, I apologize if I mispronounce that, distilled a passion for botany, a love for design, and drive for independence into the all-natural skincare brand Leanness Handcrafted. Leanness cleansers, toners, face masks, scrubs, and balms are formulated with clean and effective bases of aloe vera, plant oils, and local raw honey, and infused with essential oils. The Leanness #1 Beauty Balm is a unique blend of deeply nourishing botanical oils, vitamins C, E, and B, and organic shea butter. Use this luxurious multi-purpose balm to nourish dry skin, relieve minor rashes, and even cleanse the skin. And this is valued at $24. Awesome. This is a great box this month. I mean, it's a really good box every month, to be completely honest, but this month is like, bam. All right, so it looks like we have one more item. Right here. Let's see, there's your card. Succulent Love. In Succulent Love blossomed by complete accident while maker Jessica Kane was making succulent pumpkins with her grandmother each fall. After posting a photo to social media, they immediately generated a buzz, which started her succulent journey. Jessica ships over 120 different varieties of succulent plants, DIY kits like the one we're featuring this month, and pre-made arrangements. She also teaches DIY classes in the San Diego area. Jessica's first book, Stylish Succulent Designs and Other Botanical Crafts, filled with 40 different DIY botanical projects, is now available. If you or someone you love is obsessed with succulents, you must get a copy of the gorgeous book. Now this is the featured product is a DIY jellyfish ornament, and it is $23. And there is Jessica. All right, let's see here. All right, so that's her card, and it's talking about the book. DIY plant. Wrap the fishing line around the air plant through the tentacles, triple knotting it, slide the other end of the finishing line through the top, opening the sea urchin gently. That is so neat. So this is what it will end up looking like. That is so, I can't wait to try this. So this must be like the jellyfish part. And then right down here, we have our little, come here, guy. Come here, little dude. Ah, so here's the line. And then here's our little air plant. Oh, I cannot wait to make this. And it's literally 3 steps. That is awesome. All right, so I will definitely be making this. Y'all, this box was amazing. We got this really cute DIY air plant. We got this candle that smells fantastic. This face balm. We got this gorgeous ring, and then that super, super soft scarf, y'all. I mean, when I say soft, I mean soft. That thing is like silk, y'all. It feels so soft. So another amazing box from California Found. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. Let me know what you thought of this box, what you thought of, you know, the ring, the scarf, the candle, the air plant kit. I think is so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.